You don't need
These aren't going on mine.
The under
You have
You don't need what?
those.
that was on your. Yeah.
What was on your pinky?
Nail polish. Oh, I should just start picking it off.
What are you doing? I got. Ew, does it feel weird because she did it?
Were you licking your own nipple?
No!
I don't think it's possible.
I can lick mine.
Well, yeah, it's because it's
Not that I tried.
No.
I only have Andrew. Wait, Meg can say something.
Have you ever tried to lick your nipple? Honestly?
Honestly, yes.
I have too. Have you ever tried to lick your clit?
No.
I haven't either. Have you ever tried to stick your foot in your mouth?
Yeah, I can't do it.
I can't. Let's see. Are you sure?
No.
I figured out I could do that as a kid. I'm flexible. You're apparently not flexible.
I'm not. Oh, I can do that. Ow, I hurt myself.
We're over.